Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, traders from across the globe, and welcome to the 1496th edition of Short-Term Trading Live with Oscar. Good evening, traders. Remember that futures trading is extremely risky, causes substantial financial loss, is certainly not suitable for all traders, and know that you need to put your stops in first. This is a very risky game. Traders, as you know, I've got free SMS texting. Please sign up at livewithoscar.com. I will send you free texting when I'm sending out trading signals. Sign up. It's free, livewithoscar.com. All right, traders, red OMNI signal once again for trading in crude oil. The OMNI averages converging has created this and this and this so far. Now, I've been giving you this trade every day, putting it out on the OMNI. And admittingly, we keep missing getting short by inches. By inches just about every day. But tonight's trade, we have a caveat level. I'm assuming that we will get short the crude tonight. So the crude oil trade has been working fantastically well technically. Hopefully, many of my followers have been short crude. But sorry for Omniacs, we just keep missing the entry by ticks. I'm sorry, kids. Maybe tonight we'll catch it. So there's your crude oil, expecting more downside. And let's go look at another market here because there's something else. You know what? Let's go here. I got something to show you. Let's go to chart 1. E-mini S&P in one of Oscarism's F flags, which usually is bullish until the day it finally isn't, and then you get F'd, of course. The F flag is sitting here, but we've got a red OMNI for trading on July 26th, 2016, which is Tuesday. Red OMNI, it's in an F flag, so they're against one another. This is day one of a 2-day Fed meeting. That, my friends, equals a neutral. We do not have to play in this market. I've got an OMNI turnaround, but we are in a bull flag. Plus, it's day one of a 2-day Fed meeting. Bravo for me. I don't have to make a decision here. We are going with a neutral, but I will say the OMNI turned red for trading on Tuesday. So let's get away from the E-mini S&P. We know we do want to play in the crude and get short crude. Look at this one. Look at this soybean chart. Oh my goodness. Soybeans is ripe for another short on the downside. And OMNI will be looking to short the soybeans. Red OMNI and soybeans going short most likely on July 26th. And then we've got another little, well, we showed you soybeans. We showed you the crude. Let's go to another chart here I had in mind. Look at the gold. Now, granted, this could be a big, weird bull flag because the flag pole gets away from the flag, right? Maybe the whole thing is a big, huge flag that looks like this. Well, let's make it look like this. Maybe it's a whole big flag that looks like this. What is this? It's hard to say. So let's not call it a flag for now until it calls itself. Let's move the flag out of there. And let's say, of course, there's a flagpole and this could be the flag, right? But let's say it's not for now. Let's say it's something that's reacting inside of a channel like this. Let's say that that's what's going on for now, and we just got a little bit too far out of the channel, and we are back in the channel, and maybe now what will happen is we'll end up coming down here like we did last time we hit the bottom of the channel, or even better, maybe we're just coming down for a little tap of OTAPMA. That's probably what's going on here. But we have a channel here as well. So let's call it this. We've got a red OMNI. We've got the OMNI average down here. Maybe the gold wants to come tap it like it did on the last dip and then head back up. But we do have a red OMNI for trading gold. We've got a red OMNI for trading crude. We've got a red OMNI in soy. And we've got a neutral in the E-mini S&P because of the 2-day Fed meeting. So that's what we're looking at. Remember, traders, this crude has been working really well, so keep your eyes on it. And come on down to livewithoscar.com. Come join me in my free live trading room where, exception for when I'm up here in New York City visiting my dad in the hospital, I run that room 24 hours a day. I am there in my sleep. I'm there when I'm awake. I'm there to help all of you traders, and the room is free. So come join me at livewithoscar.com, and I'll keep you abreast of these market changes. And remember, Keep your emotions out of trading. One of the best things you can do, in my opinion, to keep those emotions at bay is say this to yourselves every morning, every afternoon, every evening, and you know what that is. Stops are in. Emotions are out. I'll see you all at livewithoscar.com.